Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Today we will learn hello guys, subscribe to my channel. When you see this on your AdSense account, don't panic. Or when you receive this email from your AdSense, your tax force was declined, don't panic. You go to your AdSense dashboard or AdSense account. You will see this one. Your payment are currently on hold. Action is required to release payment. Don't panic. When you see that, click here, action. It will send you to where the problem is. So you see there are issue with your payment account. So what are the issues? Here you click here, you click this one. You see your task force can't have PO box address as a permanent residence address. You may subject to minimums of withhold rate or delay payment until your information is verified. Here you click here, new forms, you click. They want some information from you, so when you click, it will send you here. And you scroll down here. Down. This is the information you have provided to them. So you see. So here you come here, add some information. Documents are required to verify information. Some additional documents are required to verify information. You may subject to the minimum withhold rate, or payment may be delayed until your information is verified. So what information do they need? You click here, missing information document. You click it and see the information they are talking about. You see the information they are talking about here. This is the information they are talking about here. So you you scroll down to check the information they want. So here they say upload proof of address. Additional verification required for one or more reason. Address here, address contain PO box. So here, document that accepted. So document that they need: driving license, passport, taxpayer certificate, all these things. One of the, so you upload that one here, and you go to next one. Here, proof of name. So you proof of name. So it's the same document that you provide. Upload proof of residence. Upload proof of. So all these things, it is in your passport or driver's license. All these things. So you just upload your document, or the document this is the, so either passport, driver license, residential ID card, the country you live, your ID card. So mine is passport. So it depends your own. What you have, you upload. 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 I'm uploading my what you have, you upload to them. so that they can verify the information they need from you. So when you see this thing, don't panic. It's just small information or some information they need from you. So just upload your driving license or passport, residential ID, or the document that they say they need. You just upload to them for them to verify. It's not anything. And so when you see or receive any, when you receive this, don't panic. Just upload to them, and they will verify for you. So I'm uploading. Mine is passport. Maybe yours will be different from mine. Maybe yours will be different from mine. Maybe yours will be different from mine. After you finish uploading, or after you finish uploading this information, you then submit document. When you finish submitting it, now I have submitted it. It's going. So now I have submitted the document. You know it has disappeared. The information has disappeared. Here, don't panic. It will take 24 hours for it to disappear. So when you see this, provide or follow the steps to submit your document to them. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.